first time.
Why would you yell at the other, huh?
She didn't clean her room. No! Stop it! You are hungry, huh?
You hardly ate anything for the whole day. Good that Papa eventually get you started eating. Those are some peas, some potatoes, and some omelet.
Hey, no. No. Eat.
Very good, baby. And then you do.
Other hand. Hand. Oh. Did she just do my magic trick? You see what she did?
No.
She threw the pea behind her back.
Oh, she did.
You think we wouldn't see? I saw! That only works if the person's right in front of you. Oh. Watch, ready? Ready? Oh, look. 1, 2, 3.
I got it on tape.
No.
3. Did you just give him a potato? Did you just give potato a potato? Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
What did you throw it? I can't even hear it. Oh yes. Papa is silly, I know. What did you throw?
A
Food?
potato.
A potato.
The dogs will eat it. It's not wasted.
Very good. Drink some applesauce.
Catherine Leo. Post it to your timeline. Hey. No. That's not how you do things with that. Sippy cup.
Ready, one more pea?
No more pee?
Okay. And there's a banjo dog in the background.
Peace.
No, I'll go get the peas. You take care of Lordy, girl. Papa, what are you using to get the water out?
Sieve. Do I need to rinse it?
If it's not too cold, hot enough. If it's not too hot, then it's fine. What?
Here comes more peas. You love peas, huh? Are you gonna spit all those out? I have a feeling you're gonna blah 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 blah.
Say pee 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 pee.
Pay.
Eat slowly.
Slowly. Chew, swallow. Don't want to swallow a lot at once. Slow. Eat slowly. You done? Done? One more. And then we're good. I'll give you some yogurt in a bowl that you can walk around and eat while we tire you up before nap time.
Good job.